Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm going to be sharing with you some cranberry juice recipe for your UTI and other health benefits. So if you're interested, then keep watching. So we're going to start off by washing our fruits to make it nice and clean for consumption. Always make sure to wash your raw fruit and veggies really well. That way you get rid of those germs and bacterial, especially the raw fruits that you're not going to cook. And even if you were to cook it, just make sure that you wash your fruit and veggies nice and clean. Cranberry is a native North American shrub that was used in the management of UTI by the Native Americans back in the days when antibiotics was not in existence. This is because it contains a compound called proanthocyanidins. This compound prevents E. coli from sticking to the walls of the urinary tract. This is how it prevents urinary tract infection. So right now, doctors also prescribe cranberry pills if you have UTI. They prescribe cranberry pills for you. So why not come on here and let's make this cranberry juice together. Cranberry juice has a whole lot of benefits. Apart from helping in management of UTI, it also has anti-inflammatory effect. Yeah, it is a very good natural anti-inflammatory agent. It also helps with digestion, it helps with constipation, it helps with your skin, it helps with the heart. It is so good. Cranberry has a little bit of bitter, not really bitter, but to some people it might taste uncomfortable. So you want to pair it up with sweet fruit, something that tastes good, yeah, just to enhance the taste. For me, I don't really care. So you want to pair it up with something nice and sweet to enhance the taste. So cranberry has a whole lot of benefits. Cranberry is rich in fiber, it's rich in antioxidants, and it also has antibacterial properties. So it also helps with cancer. Cranberry juice helps with constipation, it helps with digestion. So if you have a UTI, just mix yourself some cranberry juice and drink morning and evening, and then say bye-bye to your UTI. Then strain out the juice. I usually strain my juice twice. That is because I want to achieve a nice, clean and fine juice. I don't need no particles in it. That's why I take time to strain twice. So this one is really rich because I added orange juice, pomegranate, and a little bit of date. So it's so nice and sweet and beautiful. It tastes so good. Then I'm going to show you guys how to make the second method, and that one is the real, like it's so real. I didn't add all of these. I just made it so natural. So if your taste bud cannot stand this second one I'm going to show you guys, you can make yourself this one. I actually like this one. You can make yourself this one if you cannot make this second method that I'm about to show you right now. here we are for our second method of cranberry juice recipe. Mind you, I already washed those cranberries, so I'm gonna be using date fruit as our natural sweetener. You know, a lot of this store, you can't really trust this store cranberry juice because it contains a lot of sugar. So I'm gonna be adding 1 or 2 cups of water depending on the quantity of your cranberry. You might want to make it lighter or a little bit thicker depending on what you want. You just adjust the quantity of water depending on what you want. So we're gonna go ahead and blend it just like we did in the first method, and then we strain it and we have the juice. Like, I just decided to keep this one real. This is the real because I didn't add this orange juice, pomegranate. I didn't add all of those. I just kept it simple. I just added that sweetener and that's it. So cranberry juice has a whole lot of benefit. Apart from the fact that it manages UTI, it also a natural anti-inflammatory juice. It's a good source of antioxidant. Yeah, it is good for digestive health. So it helps with cancer. Then it also cleans the liver. You know, the liver is a very important organ in the body. It cleans your blood, and so cranberry juice also cleans the liver. So it is so good. It contains vitamin C, and as far as vitamin C is concerned, it also nourishes your skin. It brightens up your complexion. It's good for your health and also for your skin. So cranberry juice is so good and beneficial to health. So feel free to share this video with your family, friends, and loved ones. Let's all make this cranberry juice and stay healthy together. So if you want more recipes of this kind, like healthy recipes, then go ahead and subscribe and turn on your notification bell. And always remember, when you stay healthy, you feel healthy. So thank you so much for watching. Stay safe. God bless you, and know that whatever you put in your body is what you get back. So stay safe and healthy. Until I see you next time. Bye.